right now we're working with the Year 2 students and we're doing a winterization, just check overall, just to make sure everybody's car is ready to go for the winter.
Making sure coolant's okay, washer fluid's okay, brake fluid's okay. Just making sure everything's functional for winter.
First years get to learn from what the second years have already learned from and get to experience the knowledge that the second years have.
Second year students helping first year students do inspections on how to do correct inspections on anything that's come in the door. We have 8 different vehicles back here, and they're all just doing an inspection to let a customer know what issues they may or may not have. We like to do a lot of peer-to-peer learning. Instead of us as instructors saying something to them, we have other students that have learned how to do this and they're just passing that information on, which we really like to have happen. Instead of them just listening to us in a lecture or pointing out things, we have other people that have done it before. Not experts at this point, but it's also really good practice for second year students to show first year students. It's just good practice for them.
I mean, they've been where we are now, so we pick their brains, see what they've learned.
Definitely check your coolant. It degrades over time.
Making sure all your fluids are correct, like your coolant's ready to go, your windshield washer fluid.
To start with is to make sure they've got air in the tires. As the temperature goes down, the tire pressures will go down. So that was probably number one that they should be check into. But full inspections are also very, very important. For any kind of a breakdown when you need it most, you need to have everything looked at so that doesn't happen.